Hi everyone, my name is Eze Chukubeze. For those of you that are listening to me or watching me for the first time, okay, we started a very little house teaching for our students out there using the knowledge of physics, chemistry, woodwork, metalwork, and also clay work to put together a simple device like this that is able to convert plastic waste to fuel, something usable. Do not forget that as students, you have the responsibility to use your knowledge to solve the problem of your environment. Okay, so in our first video, or in our previous video, I showed you the layout of the homemade pyrolysis machine. Yes, it's called pyrolysis, that's the official name, for a device that is able to convert plastic waste to fuel and gas. So that device is called pyrolysis. Okay, for those of you that are new to the word pyrolysis, it's a very simple machine. And so what we did with this one is that we designed it to use electricity. You could see the wire here. Okay, that's a fuse, or you can call it. And then we designed it to use gas, simple gas. Okay. And so with this setup, whatever setup you desire to use, it will work very well. It will work very well. Now, do not forget that this is just a simple sample, school sample or lab sample to actually teach those students out there. We'll be doing much work more than as it is now, so as to improve it. For induction heating, means electric heating, but not with heat contact. Okay, so that will help the overall efficiency of the device. Now, if you look very well, this is where we load the plastic waste down, and this is the heating chamber. It's a bit hot, okay, and this will shield it from the heat from escaping, okay, and so it goes through this little pipe here, and as you can see, this is water. It is actually meant to trap some item. If you look very close, please look very closely, you see that there are some little chemicals here. So this is a water section that is helping the system to trap some chemicals that are in the plastic, and you could see some of these chemicals here. Okay, and so it's now moving from this place down as gas to condense here in this little can. This is a plastic can. If you look very well, you see this is petrol. Okay, and you could see that it's boiling. You could see the bubble is boiling, and it goes into this place. Now, do not forget that we have not designed the condenser. It is from here to purify or take out from some chemicals. It's supposed to go into the condenser. Okay, so what do I mean by condenser? Condenser will help to convert it from a gaseous form to a liquid form in a more efficient way. What we have here is a very little, okay, and this is just a sample. In our next test that I'll be showing you, we are going to have a condenser to actually help us to do that. And then for the non-condensable gas, because what this system will be producing is petrol and gas. So for the non-condensable gas, we are going to reconnect it back to the system so as it will provide an extra heat while we cut off the gas that is used to start up the system. So it will be like a system that is running on its own. So this system is designed to run on its own. It will produce its own gas that it will use to fire itself. While, so you understand the process. It's very, very interesting. Once we are done with the final stage, we'll be able to give you more details for our students out there. So thank you very much for listening. Remain blessed. I remain your teacher, Busy. Thank you.